I'm Mackenzie Hegarty with the Pulse USA Morristown. We're here today at the iconic Dublin Pub in the heart of Morristown, a longtime favorite known for its traditional Irish atmosphere, quality cuisine, and live entertainment. Listen along to hear what makes this local staple so special. So what makes the Dublin Pub more than just a restaurant, but a true experience here in Morristown?
It's pretty much a giant melting pot of different times throughout the years. You have old guests, new guests, and people that just have different stories.
How has the Dublin Pub become one of Morristown's most popular gathering spots?
It's just a great opportunity to come out to see new renovations, new plates, new dishes, things that really invite people out of the home. So that's definitely a place to be.
That concludes our visit to Dublin Pub, a long-standing fixture in Morristown's dining community. From its welcoming Irish ambiance to its carefully prepared cuisine and lively entertainment, it continues to offer an experience that brings people together. A special thank you to Andrew Medina, Chef de Cuisine, for speaking with us today.